Hello. Today I'm actually walking around taking photos of archways, doors, architecture, gravestones, basically, and I just want to show this beautiful door. My intention is to do a kit with doors and a kit, a medieval kit, which will feature some of these doors and other architecture, like when I was at Wally Abbey the other week. And oh, look at this one. This is so unusual. It's doors, it's got glass in. Wow. So let me know if you're interested in a digital kit with doors, archways, windows, and perhaps another one that's got gravestones in it. But I'm taking these to use in a kit anyway. So today I'm walking around a churchyard in Whalley. Makes a change from Whalley Abbey. I'm just on my lunch break. I'm just seeing what interesting features there is to take photos of. I've walked around once and took the photos, but I just thought I'd show you. You might be interested. But it's massive gravestone. Massive. This one, some churchyards I go to, it's just just a graveyard, so just ordinary and very modern. This is really old and there's loads of tombstones. This is another door that I took a photo of. Gorgeous door. Really old. Lovely. And there's lots in this yard. There's lots and lots of different interesting gravestones and tombs. And I just thought it'd be really great to take some photos and then use them to make a sort of Halloween kit. So let me know if that's the sort of thing that you're interested in, or would you just rather photos of the gravestones? Some of these are quite amazing. There's certainly no modern ones here. Sometimes you get, okay, there is an odd one, I just spotted one. Sometimes you go, you see all the modern ones and it's just like a row of new builds, all looking the same, whereas they're all very different here. Yeah, this is the other one I took a photo of. Oh, this is amazing. This would be really good for a Halloween one, I think. See, this is a beautiful door. Look at these knockers. Look at that. And look at that. It's like upside down heart. And that keyhole. Absolutely amazing. I love that door. And I'll take you to see some of the graves as well. These ones are really high, really deep. Must be really either wealthy families or large families. And these ones here. I'm going to go down the path in a moment. I'm just waiting for people to come up from the path. And I'll go down there. It's a really old part of the graveyard. And here we are. It's very old and it's dark down here. Look at all these. Higgledy-piggledy. There's another graveyard that I go to regular, and there's all red and white tape everywhere to stop people, to warn people not to go near. Excuse the noise. Oh, motorbike. Some of these slabs are just huge. It's like a double grave, that. I mean, that's the width to put two people in, I assume. I assume that Clarence was put on one side and Mary on the other. Not at the same time though, different dates. Oh, look at this massive one here. Some amazing ones. Quite noisy today. It seems on the other side there's a garage. So it's probably time I just stop this because it's going to be too noisy for you. I'll be back with photos another day. Bye for now.